guys believe I'm just vlogging from today right now? Hi, right now I'm going to Tommy. I want to buy dinner. So sorry for the bad lighting though. I'll go over Tommy. I don't know where I'm off tonight on the menu, but we're gonna sit down to it. So yeah, so when I reach, I'll let you guys know. Tonight. What you have tonight? Alright, give me a 200 aki and rice. Aki and rice. You guys have aki, chicken back, dumpling at the size. I'm not buying food, so yeah. I'm for class with my son from father trainer, so that when I have a drink room. Huh? I don't have any games on my phone. I'm not a game on my phone. Watch out! I think it up.
A woman like drinking and a boom now.
No.
They can't talk, you know. Because you know, say, this is the Dan boy, yeah, Dan, that, you know. I hear the Dan boy, every girl is get talk to you, I can't buy a sweet blood clot.
You know? So
I look at me, I could have drink, I have style.
Well, me and you drink, if me bring the buckle, me yeah, if me bring the buckle good, me da bust off the head like
Alright,
piece of car tire.
so I'm gonna go back over terminal, so by the time I go back over there, my food's supposed to ready. So and I mean, I'm proud the man chat to me. Tommy. Oh, am I on that right, Tommy?
White rice. Okay, please come before.
I know someone can't see me, but sorry. Yes, I'm go a while ago. Yes, them sell chicken back, chicken neck, dumpling, ackee and sawfish, brown stew back, curry chicken back, rice and peas or white rice. You know like where? I support him. I support most cook shop around here still. I don't know how much they so. So yeah, I'm a love fried chicken back. But I never really feel like it because the fried chicken back have too much oil. So I'm just saying I'm gonna go healthy right now. For the time being. So that's why I just bought my ackee and sawfish and rice and whatever. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm home, I guess. Because then I also got this chocolate bag milk. They also have it in peanut punch as well. Also I got peanut cake. I got two. One for now and one in the later hours. I really enjoy this though. Do you guys like peanut cake or chocolate milk? Let me know you guys. And I also like I don't call it again, greater cake kind of something like so. Yeah. Hi you guys. I want to share company to a long time and say good morning. In the afternoon now. Actually I'm busy. I do bare housework. I must say I'm check on them. I look tired. And then I just don't eat my lunch. So you know, I want to sleep. But I gotta do what I gotta do still. Those out them Martians, so I'll shut the door right this I sleep the next day. So I must sleep right this and thing. So I'll talk to you guys in the next clip for my head. But when you're clean, you're not busy boy, you know. So I'll talk to you guys shortly again, okay? You guys look on me. I'm not look tired. I'm like so tired. I clean from all long. From Donkey King fill up me I clean and say no. Now I'm tired. I go rest. Right now actually I chill. I'm tired one little because you know. So I just really come check in. I don't really do anything else from mine, otherwise from clean stuff, you know. But the day not really done yet, so just go with the flow, you know. So everybody alright? You know alright? What I want to do? Wanna tell me in the comments? What I wanna do? Where I wanna go? What was your day like? What happened interesting today? Let me know. I'm so going. How is the weather? And them something. Yeah, so I don't really have anything much to say right now. So I'm gonna freshen up, I revive myself, I'm gonna come back and just chat about some. Alright? Vegetable. My gravy. No, later when Pops come back. Yeah, night shift business. Done. What's that? Oh. Pepper. So you got my grandmother cook for me. She cooked some bangamere fish and rice with some veg. She said vegetable is good for you. So them all is so whatever. So I gotta have that now and thing. But I need to show them. I'm not show them this time. Just know say fish and rice. See? So yeah. I'm very sorry I didn't get to end yesterday's vlog, so I'm on here to like basically close the vlog and give my post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes to Sasha K Hines and the real Rude Girl Shorty. Yes, I'm gonna big up on yourself. Thank you so much for supporting. If you would like a chance to be randomly chosen in the post notification shout out, all you have to do is obviously be subscribed to my channel, giving my video a thumbs up, comment your feedback and tell me about the video, and yeah, simple like that. The simple steps. But thank you guys so much for subscribing to Peter Your Life Life. And as you guys know, you're my lifers. That's my nickname for y'all, my lifers. So please have yourself a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, you guys. Mwah.